Hello guys, welcome to What Do You Think. So as we discussed in our Insta story, we are going to make a series of videos on ideologies and concepts. And as we asked all of you in Instagram stories that we are going to make videos on different suggestions which we received from you, as well as in both the languages, Marathi as well as in English. Some videos will be bilingual, some videos will be in English, some videos will be in Marathi. So today we are starting with capitalism or free market capitalism. Free market capitalism is mainly associated with Western world, with primarily with Britain, with UK and US, because during first industrialization or first industrial revolution, these countries were basically running on this economic model, which was free market capitalism. So what is free market capitalism? As you can sense from the word free market, in this free market capitalist system, prices of any goods or services are determined by the market, not by any authority like a central government or the state government or any authority whatsoever, but by the markets. Then what is capitalism? Basically, capitalism means that anybody who has the capital, or basically money, has the means of production, which is anybody who owns the capital owns everything. That is the essence of capitalism. But as we will be doing in this video as well as in further videos, that we will tell you what three possibilities of each concepts are. So one will be the possibility which the promoters of that specific concept will be telling you, the other will be the practicality of it, and the other will be how it can go horribly wrong and very quick succession. So about free market capitalism, as you can see, US, UK, entire Western Europe, very prosperous countries, very rich and very strong countries as a result of all of that. That is a very rosy picture of all this, and in some sense it is true that because of capitalism and because of free market system, you can generate wealth in a manner that history has never seen. Just to give you the example of China, China is a communist country, but China has adopted free market, not free market, but capitalist society or capitalist system, because of which in last 40 years China has uplifted more than 80 crore people from absolute poverty, and they are now middle class or upper middle class. That's a huge change and massive wealth creation because of capitalist means of generation. Now, what is the practicality of it? You cannot have absolute free market. You cannot give access of determining prices of everything on the market, because then essential commodities get priced way high. Most people cannot afford those prices and people might starve. Because of that, you have practicality in free market, which you can see in India, or in very little sense in India, but mostly in US, UK and Western world, where there is some central authority which controls the pricing of the system, but in at a stage where it is absolutely necessary. If it is not necessary, then the state or the central authorities would not interfere in that. And lastly, how it can go horribly wrong? East India Company. Nobody better than Indians can understand how capitalism can go wrong. East India Company was one single enterprise which was controlling a landmass or a country. The size, the owner country of that company was 1/5 or 1/6 the size of the country that company was controlling, and it was absolute monopoly which ruined everything and everyone. That is how wrong capitalism can go in a very quick succession. So that is how these three stages of capitalism and free market system are. In next video, we will talk about how this works economically, which we talked right now, and now how it works in more of a governing or political way. After that, we will be coming to communism. Thank you.